In front of me is MEIZU mBlu 21, and today I would like to show you how you can locate all your downloads. Begin by opening an app called Files that's already on your device. If you never used it before, select Continue in the pop-up. Hit Allow in this one. And last but not least, select Downloads under Categories. As you can see, all my downloaded files are over here. To access one, just click on it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!